We all copy and paste multiple things throughout the day. And sometimes you've copied something and just need to get quick access to that again after you've copied a few other things. And that's where Clipboard within Spotlight comes in. So let's go ahead and open up Spotlight using the keyboard shortcut Command Spacebar. Once this is open, I can notice that I'll have a clipboard option here. Hovering my cursor over it, you'll also notice that in the clipboard where it types out clipboard next to it, it shows Command 4. By pressing Command 4, it will automatically open up my clipboard with all the items that I've copied before. And I can go ahead and simply select it or copy it immediately again. It will show me a tick to show that it was copied, and I can go and paste whatever it is that I want to immediately from there. And that's how easy it is to access your keyboard clipboard right from Spotlight.